Welcome to Linux Help. In this today's session, we are going to see how to install and configure OpenVPN Server on Linux 9.2. OpenVPN is an open source software for creating virtual private network VPN that allows you to access protected network resources and browse the internet securely. It is used to create secure point-to-point encrypted tunnels between two computers over an insecure network. First, I am going to check the OS version by using the following command. Now I am using Linux 9.2. Next, I am going to install Apple release package by using the following command. Here press Y and hit enter to download. Our Apple release package installed successfully. Next I am going to download the OpenVPN installer script to set up VPN. Before that we can check our public IP address by using the following command. This is our public address. Next I am going to download the OpenVPN installer script by using the following command. Our installer script downloaded successfully. We can view the script by long listing the files by using the following command. This is our installer script. Next I am going to set executable permission for the installer script by using the following command. Now long list the files by using the following command. This is our installer script with the executable permission. Next I am going to execute the installer script by using the // command. Here we need to enter our public IP address. Enter no for here. Press 1 to set the OpenVPN default port. Here press 1 and set the UDP protocol for our OpenVPN. Here press 11 to set DNS for our OpenVPN. Enter no for this. Here also enter no. Press enter to continue. This may take some time to complete. Enter client name here. Press 1 to add a passwordless client. If you need to set the password, Choose the second option. Next, I'm going to enable and start the OpenVPN service by using the following command. Now I'm going to check the status of the OpenVPN service by using the following command. Our OpenVPN server is in active and running state. By this way, you can install and configure OpenVPN server on Rocky Linux 9.2.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.